Stardust flies, a silent scream into the wood, a broken dream, carving out what used to be a shattered this damaged heart, it still beats on through the wreckage. A new dawn, a pulse of life beneath the pain will make it whole again, with calloused hands. We forge the steel, staples strong to help it heal. Each hammered blow, a promise made against the shadow. Testament to what has been, but in the lines the strength is found.